In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create diamond gradient in Figma. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can create a clean, geometric gradient that adds depth and focus to your designs. First, open Figma in your browser or the desktop app and head into a design file. Any canvas will do. Start a new file if you like, or use an existing project. This gives us a place to draw our shape and preview the gradient as we work. Next, create a rectangle shape. You can select the rectangle tool from the top toolbar or press the R key. Then click and drag on the canvas to draw it to your desired size. If you're designing a background, make the rectangle large enough to fill the frame so you can see the gradient in context. Keep the rectangle selected as we move on. With the rectangle selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and click on Fill. This is where you control the color and style of the shape's fill. If you don't see fill, reselect the rectangle to bring up its properties. Now, click on the color swatch next to fill to open the color picker and switch from a solid color to a gradient. This drop-down lives at the top of the color panel and typically says solid by default. Opening it reveals the gradient options. Change the gradient type from linear to diamond. The diamond gradient creates a crisp, angular fade radiating from a center point into a diamond shape, which is perfect for drawing the eye to the middle of your design. Once selected, you'll see on-canvas gradient controls appear, letting you reposition the center or scale the gradient's reach. Finally, choose your colors. Each gradient stop can be edited by clicking its handle in the color panel or directly on the canvas controls. Pick a central color that you want to highlight, and then a contrasting or complementary outer color. You can adjust the opacity of each stop to soften the transition, and drag the on-canvas handles to tighten or expand the diamond's edges. If you need more nuance, add an extra color stop for a smoother blend, or stick to 2 stops for a bold, graphic look. Try placing the center slightly off-center to create a subtle focal point, and keep accessibility in mind if text will sit on top. High contrast improves legibility. That's it. You've created a diamond gradient in Figma, ready to use as a background, a highlight, or a stylish accent in your UI. Experiment with color combinations and placement until it matches your design's mood and hierarchy.